Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Notes app using Flutter and ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model that can help you generate code snippets based on your requirements. With ChatGPT, you can speed up your coding process and get a head start on your app development. So, let's get started. Let's open ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can understand natural language queries and generate code snippets based on them. You can use ChatGPT to quickly generate code snippets for your Flutter app. In the search bar, type your prompt and hit enter. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated code snippets for a simple Notes app using Flutter. You can see the code snippets for creating a new note, editing a note, and deleting a note. Let's copy these code snippets and paste them into our Flutter project. And that's it. With ChatGPT, we were able to generate code snippets for a Notes app and modify them to fit our requirements. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for speeding up your coding process and getting a head start on your app development. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. Follow this channel for more such contents.